toy robot dog Bittle, you can walk, run, leap, and even do backflips with the palm-sized robot dog called the toy Bittle. It runs on a bespoke Arduino board and is constructed from sturdy yet lightweight materials. Use your voice or an app to control it, or write code in C++, Python, or a block-based language to have it do anything you want. You may upgrade its capabilities and make it smarter by adding modules like sensors and cameras. Aside from being a delightful toy, the Toy serves as a platform for STEM and robotics education, allowing users to delve into the worlds of engineering, coding, and artificial intelligence. You have the option to purchase it pre-assembled or use the kit to construct it from the ground up. In any case, you'll be able to tap into a vibrant community of toy developers and users who are willing to lend a hand and share their knowledge. The STEM kit for the Toy costs $241, while the robotics kit costs $1,269. Festo Bionic Flying Fox. Drawing design cues from nature, the Festo Bionic Flying Fox mimics the flight pattern of the world's largest bat, the flying fox, in a predetermined area of the sky. This extremely light aircraft may fly semi-autonomously thanks to its sophisticated kinematics. Although it weighs only 580 g, its wingspan is 228 centimeters, and its body length is 87 centimeters. The wing membrane is constructed from two impermeable films and an elastic knit, which are fused at about 45,000 locations, giving it strength and pliability. Takeoff and landing are done manually by a human pilot, but the aircraft can also communicate with a motion tracking system that can detect its position and plot its paths. The Festo Bionic Flying Fox is a breathtaking representation of the power of nature to motivate technological advancement. For $9,999, you can get it on Festo's website. Hi Wanderer Spider Pi. Hi Wanderer, a hexapod robot Spider Pi, can see, think, and act. The Raspberry Pi, a popular single-board computer, runs multiple programming languages and applications. Spider Pi lets you investigate AI, machine vision, and robotics. High-torque servos operate 3 joints on each of Spider Pi's 6 legs. Different gait modes let it walk, turn, and modify height and speed. The wide-angle HD camera can take photos and videos and use OpenCV for image processing and recognition. Spider Pi may be programmed to track a face, detect a tag, or greet a person. Spider Pi is easy to handle with the Wanderer app, which lets you choose game modes and view the live video. The graphical PC software lets you adjust robot action groups and servo orientations. The informative and fun Spider Pi robot can inspire your ideas. Anyone interested in AI, vision, and robots can use it. Festo Bionic Opter, an engineering and design marvel, the Festo Bionic Opter imitates dragonfly flight. In 2020, it was certified by Guinness World Records as the biggest flying robotic bug in the world. Its maneuverability is astonishing, allowing it to glide, hover, and soar in any direction. Its wingspan is 63 centimeters, while its weight is barely 175 g. It can be operated using a smartphone and runs on batteries. The ARM CPU and 9 servo motors lead it to move its 4 wings in unison. The Bionic Opter offers 13 degrees of freedom for unique flight maneuvers, thanks to its adjustable wings. Each wing can be changed for flapping frequency, rotation, and amplitude. One of Festo's research initiatives, the Bionic Learning Network, which uses natural phenomena as a source of innovation for technological and industrial problems, is the Bionic Opter. Though it is not already on the market, the Bionic Opter has an anticipated price tag of $10,000. Festo Bionic Swift, a technical marvel, the Festo Bionic Swift can fly just like a bird. Its wings, constructed of pliable foam segments, open and close in rhythm with the wing beat, giving it nimble and efficient flight. Thanks to the exact control of the wing flapping and tail angle, it can even do tight maneuvers and loops in the air. A radio-based indoor GPS system follows its coordinates and transmits the information to a main computer, allowing it to fly autonomously in a coordinated pattern with other Bionic Swifts. Not only is the Bionic Swift a breathtaking bionics demonstration, but it might also be a useful tool for future factors process workflows and material flow. The Bionic Swift is anticipated to be priced at approximately $3,491 and will be available as an experimental kit by the end of 2021. The Bionic Swift is perfect for you if you find the complexity and grace of nature to be awe-inspiring. Festo Emotion Butterflies, stunning bionic flying things. Festo Emotion Butterflies look and feel just like the real thing. They have the ability to fly in a coordinated and collective manner, are colorful, graceful, and incredibly light. To keep tabs on their whereabouts and prevent accidents, they employ an advanced indoor GPS system equipped with infrared cameras. They can control each wing independently and precisely thanks to their onboard electronics, which are highly integrated. Miniaturization, lightweight construction, and functional integration are the areas in which Festo conducted research and development that led to these products. In addition to being aesthetically pleasing, they showcase the future of manufacturing made possible by network technologies and artificial intelligence. Despite their lack of commercial availability, Festo Emotion Butterflies are available as part of Festo's Bionic Learning Network, an exhibition showcasing eco-friendly innovations. Festo Bionic Ants. Incredible Festo Bionic Ants are robotic creatures that act and look just like actual ants. Their ability to collaborate allows them to complete difficult tasks that would be beyond the capabilities of an individual robot. Optical sensors and wireless communications allow them to coordinate and interact with one another. The components, which are composed of laser-centered metal, contain visible conductor architectures that perform electrical and aesthetic purposes. Their agile and rapid leg movement is controlled by piezo components. Their bodies are equipped with rechargeable batteries that provide them power. Inspiring ideas for the development of manufacturing and automation in the future, they are engineering marvels in and of themselves. The total cost of materials, manufacturing, and research and development for one bionic ant is anticipated to be around $10,000. Festo Bionic Kangaroo. When it comes to jumping, the Festo Bionic Kangaroo is head and shoulders above the competition. Its tail and hip are powered by electric motors, which let it balance itself and change the direction of its jumps. A specialized armband pairs wirelessly with the Bionic Kangaroo small controller via Bluetooth, allowing for gesture control to power its pneumatic drives. The robot carries a portable energy source, a tiny compressor, or a high-pressure storage device that compresses air. The Bionic Kangaroo is an offshoot of Festo's Bionic Learning Network, an endeavor to study alternative propulsion systems and natural motion. The robot is around 7 kilograms in weight and has a jumping height of 40 centimeters and a length of 80 centimeters. Although official pricing information is unavailable, the Bionic Kangaroo is thought to cost around $110,000.